Okay, let's show you how to advance your Somnomed Herbst appliance. First, up with this arrow means these are your top teeth, these are your lower teeth. On the side, you also have an arrow up here and an arrow up there. When you follow the direction of the arrow, you're moving the lower jaw forward, which we call titration, and that's, again, to move that lower jaw forward. You take your key or a paper clip and you put it in the little hole here, and then you move up. That's one turn. We're going to do 2 on each side. Up, that's 2 turns. Now flip to the other side. Put it right inside there. 1 turn. 2 turns. 2 turns on each side. Be sure you keep it even on both sides. You can also check where you're at. There's a little scale here and it tells you exactly how many millimeters you've gone forward. Another thing that we do very often is we add rubber bands. Now this appliance does not have the little rubber band hooks, but you'll notice on your appliance there's a little ball clasp here and here, and what you would do is you would take these little rubber bands and you would hook it on this one and then pull it down to that one. And we use that really often to help with the snoring and to keep the mouth closed, because if you lay on your back or even if you just relax too much in this appliance, that lower jaw can sometimes fall open and back, and we want to keep it together. So if I'm sending you this video, I'm probably asking you to advance. My rules are usually 2 to 3 turns every 2 to 3 days, and then add the rubber bands on those hooks, 1 on each side.